YouTube? Here with another break. I'm really pumped about this one. This is the Select 2013. 4 autographs per box. Baseball. Got Mike Trout in the front of it. 2013. So that's Christian Yelich, Mookie Betts, Manny Machado. You got maybe second year, third year of Mike Trout. Second year maybe Bryce Harper. Some other studs. So really pumped to open this up with the 4 autographs per box. And I got this through a website, and look forward to opening it. Hope you enjoy it with me. I bought 2 of the boxes. I think I'm going to save the other one, but I did want to open at least one. What am I saving it for? I don't know. I like saving boxes. Breaking is expensive, and it's also, you might not get anything. Whereas you save it, it becomes almost like gold. But here we are. Oh, that's awesome. I never opened this stuff up before. So it's 2 boxes. Interesting. Sorry guys, I'm just taking this all in. Oh, it's not packs. Huh. Sorry guys, if you guys already know all this stuff, this is just the first time I've ever opened Select before. I'm already becoming a fan the way this was packaged. Seven packs per box. Okay, so there's packs in here. Wow, I guess they really know about condition. That's awesome. Cool box too, man. Wow. All right, Select. Let's do it. First pack. Let's go. Get something good, and I'll become a fan for life. All right, let's see. There's Jason Kipnis still around. Wow, Dominic Brown. I don't even remember him. Wasn't he with the Phillies? I do remember him. I thought he was going to be a good player. Okay, we got something here, so let's save the best for last. There's Panda, Big Panda. Pablo Sandoval. I guess Select doesn't have the rights to use the MLB logos, team logos. Starlin Castro. I don't know if he's still playing with the Marlins. Didn't I just have a Dominic? Is it 2 Dominic Browns? Oh, I probably didn't pull this out. Okay. Pedroia and Fuego. Here we go. Oh, we got a number in the back. Casey Kelly. Don't know who he is. Rookie. Just since 2013. I doubt he's even around anymore. All right. First one auto. We still have 4 autos, so could pull out some fire here. Wow, yeah, I keep forgetting this is 2013. Pulling out Dominant and Brown. It's crazy. Time has passed. Troy Tulowitzki, yep, there's another one. Old timer now. Jordan Zimmerman, also an old timer. Hunter Pence still playing. Does look like some kind of shine under this. So, see, Encarnacion. Ooh, Anthony Rizzo. This might be his second year. 686 at bat. So, yes, second or third year. Anthony Rizzo. Hunter Pence again. And we have... Oh, nice. Never upset. Always happy when you pull a Bo Jackson with some shine. That's cool. They got some old-time players in here. Unless there's some kind of variation. Prism. Select. Bo. Guess who's going to PSA, Bo? They got some dimples in there, man. Come on. Never think twice about that, then. All right. Just saw that. Cool card, though. I'm sure somebody will love it. Someone may be me. Okay. Third pack. Big bucks, no whammies. Let's go. Always a favorite. Wei Yin Chin. He's a lefty, too. Don't even remember him. I would remember lefties. Robinson Cano. Max Scherzer. Ooh, this might be a second or third series with Detroit. See some shine under here. Some Matt Moore, he's still around. Yu Darvish. Wow, just missed his rookie, man. This might be his second year. Scherzer. Let's see what we have. Hunter Pence shine. He's good. Fan favorite. Not fan favorite like Bo Jackson, but he's a fan favorite. Still pumped. Bo Jackson's awesome. Okay. Todd Helton, where have you been, my friend? Are you up for the Hall of Fame? So Alex Rios. Alex Gordon still playing. Rookie. Nick Nolan. Yes, really good rookie. Carlos Beltran. Could be Hall of Famer. And Yoenis Cespedes, who it could be his rookie year. No, it's not his rookie. It's probably his second year. All right. So far, I'm not going to open that other select box. It's not tempting me at all. These cards I'm pulling. This Pedroia. Jason Hayward is an auto, I think, underneath there. Leave that for last. Nice. We got a Bryce Harper. Skills that pay the bills. Cool, I'll sleeve this up. Then we got Ellsbury. He's done. Wow. It's crazy how quickly someone's career turns around when they go to the Yankees. Can't handle it. Ian Kisner. Jason Hayward, still around. And let's see what we have here. Oh, this is a hit now. Is he still pitching, guys? Is he still pitching great? I don't, he's such a quiet player. You don't even notice him, man. He's like Don Sutton. Just racking up numbers. That is a really good hit, man. Corey Kluber's a very good pitcher. I don't know if he's still... I haven't seen him in the highlights, so maybe he's hurt or he opted out. Awesome, awesome card. That's a really good hit, guys. I'm happy with that. If I could get a PSA 9, it'll make it all the better. 9 or 10, obviously. 10 would be awesome. Nice. Corey Kluber. Oh, nice. Mike Trout. And he is sliced, man. There's a big, I don't know if you see that through the light. You see that scratch? That really stinks, man. Oh, that's upsetting. Jared Weaver. Oh, we got something underneath there. Okay. Can never have enough Nolan Ryan. Adrian Beltre, future Hall of Famer. Josh Hamilton. Wasted talent. Jared Weaver. And we got another Jared Weaver. To statisticians. And his career's done. He won 20 games one year, right? That's really upsetting with the Mike Trout. Where is he? Here he is. I'll sleeve him up anyway. Maybe I could. I don't think I could. I can't take that off. That's a deep, deep scratch right above his helmet. But you got to always sleeve up the Trouts. All right, last pack of the box. First box. I think I just cut a card, guys. You guys are gonna hate me for that. Chris Sale. Really upsetting that they don't have the team logos on there. Matt Harvey just got roped by the Mets yesterday. Adam Jones, Raul Ibanez. Oh, David Wright. And this is some shine, skills, and a Jason Kipnis shine. So a lot of repeats in these cards. In this product. We already saw Jason Kipnis. That's a shine there. And there's David Wright, fan favorite for the Mets. All right, next box. Hopefully we do better than Corey Kluber rookie card, signed auto. I don't know, it's gonna be tough. But I'm sure back then nobody knew how good Kluber was gonna be compared to Bryce Harper and Trout. Even Trout, a lot of people didn't know too much about him, or he would been collected very much more earlier on. But he's on, Mike Trout's on the cards, on the pack, so he was big time back in 2013. There's Andrew McCutchen with the Pirates. It really doesn't look good. They don't look good without the logos. Craig Kimbrell. Oh, man. And Fuego Matt Harvey, sure. And shine. Silver one. Oh, man. No. Dominic Brown shine. Ugh. Well, we're off to a bad start with that box. I don't know, I just look at those two and Harvey and him and just like, ugh. What could have been. Oh, CC. Hall of Famer. Alan Craig. Carlos Gonzalez. Mike Schmidt. Doesn't look like we got anything else here, guys. Paul Goldschmidt and Joey Votto. This looks like a second-year select. Joey Votto. Third pack. Gene Segura hitting the ball for the Phillies lately. Chris Johnson, don't remember him. J.J. Hardy. Hardy Har Har. Elvis Andrews, solid player, skills. Ryan Simon, I think he just retired with a ring. Patrick Corbin, not his rookie. excellent pitcher right now. Nothing on those guys. No shine or anything in that pack, so should be happy with the Matt Garvey shine and Dominic Brown. Okay, Bartolo Colon. James Shield, man, he signed a contract and just went plop. All right, I'm just gonna go over because I see there's something there. Wrong Soto. Neftali, you're the wrong Soto. We need Juan Soto. David Wright again. Ichiro, okay, cool. Let's see who the auto is going to be. Try not to look at it. Oh, it's a rookie card. That's good. I don't know who that is, guys. Chad Jenkins? No. I'm clueless. And there's like some crap right there. Is that supposed to be there? You guys see that right there? That's some BS. Looks like somebody like dropped a hot ink. Should just melted there. Chad Jenkins, not a favorite of mine. Let's see how we do. Last 3 packs. Brian Wilson. I remember the beard. Again, Andrews. Mike Trout, Youngbloods. All right. That's a good card. Hopefully no dimples on that. McCutchen, silver. So, good pack. Oh, Rivera. I don't see him much. And Justin Monroe. All right, definitely sleeving up this Trout. So I don't see any dimples on it, scratches, Youngbloods. I do see some surface stuff there. I think I could clean that off. You guys can see that right at the top of his name. Nice, add to my collection with Trouts. Wish there was some shine on it, but that's all right. Take it. If it was a shine like McCutchen here, that would have been great. I think the Phillies are really strong this year. I think McCutchen's going to lead them to a World Series. That would be great. Him and Bryce Harper. All right, 2 more packs. 1 auto left. It said promise me 4 there. Promise me 4 autos. Starling Marte, Ishigawa Iwaki. There's somebody there, auto. Okay. Beltre, Thunder Alley. Jose Bautista. Mark Scudero, I remember him. And we got some shine. Alex Wood. Not a bad play. Not bad. Alex Wood's not a bad player. What's this numbered? It is. Oh, 1 of 1, guys. 1 of 1. That is my 3rd 1 of 1. That is awesome. Alex Wood, 1 of 1. I think he's still pitching. Pitching decent, or he's maybe he opted out. That is cool. 1 of 1 Alex Wood. Huh. Really cool. Well, that makes... I might open up the other box, guys. That is awesome. 1/1 Alex Wood auto. Glad it wasn't any of the other scrubs. I know Alex Wood's had a good career. It's a good lefty for the Braves. I think he might be another team right now. Awesome. 1/1. Whew. That made it worth it. Okay, last pack. Mauer. Sorry, Monroe. Joe Mauer. Can't speak. Chase Headley. Chris. Let's see, we got something there. I think it's just one of those fire things. Price Fielder. Alfonso Soriano. Chris Davis. And ooh, this is what you gotta have in Fuego. Could have used a shine on their silver, but still, I'll take it. And Fuego, Clayton Kershaw. Really cool, guys. Wow, pumped. That's an awesome card. Well, that's it, guys. That's my reveal. Best cards. Corey Kluber, auto. Oh, it's a 750. Didn't even realize that. It's a 750. Got Mike Trout, which I would definitely grade, clean it up a little bit, and a 1/1 of Select Signatures Alex Wood. And then we have the Bo Jackson and Cutchin are probably the best ones out of the parallels. Here's the Chad Jenkins rookie. There's another Mike Trout. Gotta take care of that. I thought that one's had the little big line on it, and the Bo Jackson had a dimple on it. I don't know if I would get 9s on those. I probably would get a 10. I'd get an 8 for those because they're beat up. You would think the way they packaged it, it would be perfect, pristine, but they weren't. So that's still disappointing. All that work, put them in boxes, crazy. But very happy, and of course the Kershaw. Can't go wrong with Kershaw. He just broke a couple records, or passed a couple people on the all-time strikeout list. So he's just a true professional and one of the greats. So, but 1/1 of anybody is good, man. Really cool. Well, hit the like button if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe so you can see more of it. I'll be opening up more stuff and showing you some reveals in the future. Have a good day, YouTube.